Hello everybody, this is Kianda the Smart Home and my name is Ali Reza. This video is dedicated to Sonoff NS Panel Pro, which is a smart home control panel that integrates Sonoff and standard Zigbee 3.0 smart devices and scenes. I mentioned Zigbee. Yes, this device is a Zigbee hub. It has a 3.95 full touchscreen, also built-in microphone and a speaker. This device supports Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Bluetooth and EV-Link remote. Stay with me to set it up and see its features. Before that, please click the subscribe button if you haven't done yet, as it motivates me to upload more videos. In order to use this device, you only have to connect two wires to it to connect power to it. Its input voltage is from 100 to 240 volts. I connect power to NS panel. It's booting. This is the first time the device is booting. I tap start. In this page we have to select the language, English. Please select country or region. It searches wireless network. I select my Wi-Fi network. Enter its password. After entering the password of Wi-Fi, tap join, or let's say touch join. Scroll down for more features. By scrolling down, the menu opens. We have add device, notice, alarm, theme, add cam, settings. By navigating to settings, choosing EV-Link account, you can pair it with your EV-Link account, or on the main display, tap login. It shows a QR code. In EV-Link app, tap plus. In add device section, choose a scan QR code and scan the QR code. By default it has a name, but you can change it, and you can assign a location for your device. Tap done. NS Panel Pro is paired with my EV-Link account. I had paired POW, a Zigbee bridge, which has a motion sensor added to it as a sub device. I have this NS panel paired with my EV-Link account, and a camera, Sonoff camera, added to my account. We have the motion sensor on NS Panel Pro, the NS panel. We can control the NS panel. We have the temperature and humidity of the NS panel. Also, we have the camera. In the main display, we have the camera. By tapping on it and selecting the cameras, we can view them. This is my Sonoff IP camera located in another place. You can hear the sound in that place and talk with others using the camera and NS Panel Pro. In menu, you see that we have alarm, so you can set alarm. You can define repeat and select ringtone. Also, we have timer. Theme, you can select different themes. For example, I choose this one, touch save. The main display shows the weather, outdoor temperature. By opening the menu, we have the clock and Wi-Fi status. Also, in the main display, we have time and date. This is the weather widget, outside temperature, time and date. I navigate to settings. In this page, we have wireless network. You can choose other wireless network and connect NS Panel Pro to other networks. We have Evolink account. It is paired to my Evolink account. You can set time zone. Weather. Select the city and temperature unit. You can define them. Display. The device has a built-in ICC light sensor, so it can automatically adjust the screen brightness, or you can disable it and adjust it manually. Volume, you can adjust the volume of the speaker. And the last item is about. We have the name of the device, the software update. If there is a new version, you will see it here. By tapping on it, the device starts upgrading. By the way, at the moment, this device is updated to the latest version. As you see, the OS version. By scrolling down, you can reboot or reset the device. I choose add camera. You can add RTSP cameras and DIY cameras. I will cover it in another video. As I mentioned, this device can be used as a Zigbee hub. So in menu, by tapping at device, you can pair Zigbee devices to it. I tap start pairing and then the device enters into pairing mode. Here I have Sonoff Zigbee door window sensor and wireless switch on NS panel. I tap start pairing, it enters into pairing mode. Then I press and hold the button of Sonoff Zigbee door sensor and hold it for 7 seconds until its LED flashes. Door window sensor is added. Touch finish. Okay, you see we have its status and it is added to NS panel. Okay, after pairing Sonoff Zigbee door sensor with Sonoff NS Panel Pro, you see that window door sensor is added to Evolink app too. Let's pair the wireless switch. I open the menu, choose add device, tap start pairing, press and hold the wireless switch button for 7 seconds until its LED flashes. The switch is added, finish. Okay, we have the switch. One press, it shows it is clicked. Double press, we have the log of the switch. Okay, by selecting each of the devices, we are navigated to the log of the device on NS Panel Pro. In this page, we have the notification. By default, it is set to floating notification. You can change it to alert notification. The Sonoff NS Panel Pro provides free operating modes with quick activation directly from the main display. Home mode, away mode, and sleep. On Evolink app, I tap or choose NS Panel Pro, select it. As you see, it has two sub devices. Also, we have motion sensor and camera in NS Panel Pro. We have scene. You can run two pre-configured scenes, leave home and turn on lights. We have gateway. From this page, you can add sub-devices to NS Panel Pro. Okay, here we have the modes: home mode, away mode, sleep mode. I tap home mode, no sensor added, set now. You can change the name of the mode. For example, I change it to panic. Save. Select sensor. I enable the wireless switch for panic mode. In alarm beeps, we have the volume. You can adjust the volume. You can choose the sound. Do not forget to tap save. And also you can choose alarm duration. By default, it is set to 10 seconds. Save. Okay. I navigate to the setting of NS Panel Pro using Evolink app by tapping three dots. We have the app version, ROM version, Zigbee version. You can assign location, security mode. We have the three provided modes. I choose away mode this time. You can also change its name, adjust the volume of its alarm, choose the sound. Do not forget to tap save. In this mode, I enable door window sensor, or let's say in another words, I add door window sensor to trigger away mode. Tap save. We have security lock, no record, manufacturer, model, device ID, and at the bottom of the page we have delete device. I again navigate to gateway by tapping on each of the modes. It enables. By tapping on it again, it disables. Using the main display of NS Panel Pro, you can enable them and disable them. Let's try the panic mode. It's working. Disable. Away mode is enabled. It's working. And as you see, we have the notifications on Evolink app. Make sure your Evolink app is also updated to the latest version. I just upgraded it. I choose NS Panel Pro. As you see, we have different menu than the previous version. Okay, another feature the NS Panel Pro offers is voice call. Let's try it. The panel itself can act as a thermostat, controlling your heater or cooler via Sonoff smart temperature and humidity switch by turning it on or off depending on the setting temperature. You can select temperature source of the thermostat from external temperature sensor. We have the temperature sensor of NS panel. It is selected by default. Tap next. You can choose whether you want it as a heater or cooler. Next. As I do not have switches, so in action device I cannot select anyone and step forward. We have another menu which is energy. I tap add. I select POW, choose it, save it. In Evelink app, I turn it on. You see the power consumption of the POW device. It does not show anything. Maybe it needs time. One thing that attracted my attention is that I have a motion sensor paired to Zigbee bridge. On the list of devices on NS panel, we have the motion sensor as you see it here, but let's open the security mode, away mode. We do not have the motion sensor in the list of sensors. So in order to use sensors in modes of NS Panel Pro, you have to pair them directly to NS Panel Pro. That's it. If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave comments. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done already. You can support me by buying me a coffee. I'll see you in the next video.